First, it's hard to call Saudi Arabia an emerging market.
Yeah.
We just heard the previous speaker speak about all the the financial successes they're going through. I think they're like ahead of the US now in terms of how quickly they're improving. But I would say the key is to leverage that wealth correctly towards investing in things that will help position Saudi Arabia as a market in the future correctly. And so far, from what I've been observing from the outside, they have been making a lot of very, very good bets, right? So we see the Gaia initiative, which was announced on stage, the new funding for it. The initiative has been around for some time. It's focusing on companies in the Gen AI space and enable them to build very smart deep tech solutions within that space. But they just announced they're going to now allocate $1 billion of investment just to that incubation stage.
Right.
I know there is another massive amount of money coming behind that to even enable other deeper technologies in the semiconductor area and the data center area and the batteries area and the cooling area that will power these AI techniques forward at much faster speeds. So it's a very long way of saying I think Saudi is doing lots of amazing stuff already when it comes to that. I don't have any advice for them. They're just knocking it out of the park. Yeah.
Yeah.